One unverified cleaning method can turn an ordinary job into a costly damage claim. An acidic product touches natural stone, an abrasive pad dulls a coated fixture. Too much moisture reaches an unsealed edge. The cleaner may have been trying to deliver a better result. But good intentions do not make an unknown surface safe. In this video, we will build a surface safety workflow for cleaning businesses. We will identify surfaces without guessing, connect approved methods to verified materials, create a stop and check rule, document pre-existing conditions, and use AI only as an organizer, not as a chemical or material expert. Stay to the end for a reusable safety prompt. Subscribe to AI Work Crew and turn on notifications for practical new AI content coming out daily to help local service businesses save time, work smarter, and grow. The first rule is simple. If the material is unknown, do not let appearance decide the method. Stone look surfaces may be natural stone, engineered material, porcelain, laminate, or something else. Metal finishes, coated glass, wood, luxury vinyl, grout, painted cabinets, and delicate fabrics can also be misidentified. Record verified manufacturer information when available, and label everything else unknown. Create an approved method library under qualified human control. For each verified material or item, list the approved product, dilution or preparation process, tool, dwell or contact limits, where applicable, moisture restrictions, prohibited methods, required protective equipment, and escalation notes. Build this from manufacturer guidance, safety data, professional training, equipment instructions, applicable regulations, and the company's real insurance and safety requirements. AI must not invent entries for this library. Its role is to format approved information, compare a job record with the library, and flag missing matches. It should never decide that two materials are close enough or recommend a stronger chemical because a stain remains. Unknown material plus uncertain condition equals a stop and check decision, not an invitation to experiment. Add a pre-service condition check. Record visible chips, cracks, loose edges, peeling coatings, discoloration, swelling, corrosion, unstable fixtures, active leaks, heat damage, and other relevant conditions according to policy. Documentation should be factual. Say dark discoloration, visible near rear seam, rather than diagnosing mold or claiming the material is permanently damaged. Use privacy-aware photos only with appropriate permission and secure handling. Here's the reusable AI prompt. Using only the verified surface inventory, approved method library, equipment instructions, safety rules, and documented conditions below, create a room-by-room surface safety checklist. Match a method only when the material identification is verified and an approved library entry exists. Otherwise, label it stop and check. Do not recommend chemicals, mixed products, create dilution instructions, diagnose damage, guarantee stain removal, or infer a material from appearance. A qualified person must approve all methods. Imagine a customer asks the cleaner to remove a cloudy mark from a kitchen counter. The record says stone counter, but the exact material and cause are unknown. The system should not recommend vinegar, bleach, polish, an abrasive, or a restoration technique. It should confirm ordinary approved cleaning around the area if safe. Flag the mark, document the customer's request, and route the decision to a qualified person. Build a stop work ladder. First, pause the specific task while keeping the area safe. Second, confirm whether the surface and condition have verified approved instructions. Third, contact the designated manager through the approved channel. Fourth, follow the decision, which may be to proceed with a known method, leave the area untouched, obtain manufacturer guidance, or refer specialized work. Fifth, record the outcome so the next visit does not repeat the uncertainty. Product labels and safety data still matter, even when the surface is known. Confirm intended use, ventilation, protective equipment, incompatible products, storage, disposal, and emergency procedures. Never ask AI to summarize away a warning or replace training. Never mix products, because a generated answer says the ingredients should be safe together. The approved workplace process and authoritative instructions control. Train cleaners to report uncertainty early. If the culture rewards only speed and perfect-looking results, people may hide a concern or keep working past the safe limit. Praise correct stop and check decisions. Review near misses without embarrassment. Update the method library when a qualified review produces new approved guidance, and archive outdated instructions so they do not remain in circulation. Audit the system by tracking unknown surfaces, stop and check events, repeat questions, damage claims, near misses, and library entries due for review. A high number of stops at first may mean the team is finally exposing assumptions that were already present. Over time, better property records and training should reduce uncertainty without weakening the safety gate. Use the first visit to improve the surface inventory, but only through verified information. Record manufacturer labels or customer-provided documentation when appropriate. Note areas that remain unknown, and obtain qualified guidance before adding a method. On recurring jobs, display the relevant approved cautions, where the cleaner will see them without exposing customer information. The goal is not to create a giant manual for every property. It is to put the right verified warning at the point where a rushed assumption could cause damage. The complete workflow is verified material identification, a human-approved method library, factual condition documentation, a clear stop and check ladder, authoritative product safety, and a culture that rewards caution. AI helps organize known information and reveal gaps. It does not choose chemicals or determine what a surface can tolerate. In the final episode, we will stop free extra work by creating a fair change order system for requests that appear after the cleaner arrives.